Today I am going to tell you how to do our daily brain activators, okay? So every day, if we were in a real classroom, you would come into the classroom and you would sit down and you would do bell work, right? It would be something that would take 5, maximum 10 minutes when you came in the room. So what we're gonna do in the place of that is what we're gonna call a brain activator, okay? You're still gonna do a short assignment at the beginning of every class, so to speak, or before you do your assignment for the day. But you are going to do it virtually, okay? So when you look at Google Classroom, when you look at the classwork section here, you're going to see there's a section called Daily Brain Activators, and I will put a link to the Daily Brain Activator every single day when you get your assignment, all right? It'll say, 1, do Monday Daily Brain Activator, all right? So Tuesday, that's today, the first day of school, when you open this guy up here, and this looks different on my screen right now than it's going to look on yours when you open it. It says this activity should only take about 7 minutes, including watching the video. Click on the slide below and watch the video, then write a descriptive paragraph about your bedroom, being sure to use an allusion as part of the description. Feel free to read and comment on each other's paragraphs when you're finished. So I open this guy up here, okay? And it has instructions that today you're going to write a descriptive paragraph that uses an allusion. So every Tuesday, you are going to have to do a short writing assignment. Just a paragraph is really all you need, okay? And it's going to be based upon a particular literary device that I want you to learn that particular day. This is all alphabetical order, which is why allusion is first, okay? So you're going to watch the video. It's only 2 minutes long. And then you are going to do the things, okay? So like when I open this, it tells me that I've posted this as a question, okay? So what you're gonna see on your screen is you're gonna see the directions, and then you're gonna see, I think off to the side where it says to type your answer, all right? And once you've entered your answer, you will be able to see everybody else's responses as well. So you can see them. You can comment on each other's stuff if you want, as long as you are friendly and nice about it. So just keep in mind that whatever you write will be public. And this is worth 5 points, okay? These are 5 points a day. And that's how to do it. So do this first, and then if you haven't already done your flip grid for the lyrics of your life, please make sure that you get that done by the end of the day today. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.